Good day everyone! My name is Nina Manalo and I will be tackling the topic of virtual presentations and webinars. Here are some of the best practices for delivering an engaging virtual presentations. Number 1. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is foundational. Dive into their demographics, interests, and expectations. This knowledge enables you to tailor your content to be not just informative, but specifically relevant to your audience, increasing engagements and resonance. Number 2, clear structure. Providing a clear structure to your presentation is like giving your audience a roadmap. Organize your content logically with a well-defined introduction, main points, and conclusion. This structure aids comprehension, helping participants follow your narrative with ease. Number 3. Engage early. The first impression matters. Begin with a compelling introduction that communicates the purpose and benefits of your presentation. Engaging your audience from the offset sets a positive tone and primes them for active participation throughout the session. Number 4. Dynamic delivery. The way you deliver your presentation is as important as the content itself. Utilize a conversational tone to establish a connection with your audience. Vary your voice tone, pitch, and maintain eye contact with the camera to convey enthusiasm, making your delivery more engaging and impactful. And number 5, engaging content incorporate visually appealing elements such as slides, graphics, and videos to complement your message. Enhance your content by weaving in real-life examples, stories, and case studies. This multi-sensory approach not only aids understanding, but also makes the material more memorable and relatable. And for continuation, we have Mark Jomer Mirarza for the 6 to 10 advices or practices.
Number 6 is interactivity. We also need to foster active participants through polls, Q&A session, and several discussions. Interactive elements not only maintain audience interest but also create a collaborative environment, thus allowing participants to feel more involved and connected to the content. Number 7 is practice. Practice is key to a polished presentation. We must rehearse our content to ensure smooth delivery and to familiarize ourselves with the virtual platform's features. This preparation not only builds confidence but also helps us navigate potential technical issues seamlessly. Number 8 is tech check. We can conduct through tests of our equipment and software before the presentation. Having a backup plan in case of technical issues ensures a smooth experience for both we, the presenter, and our audience. Technical preparedness is crucial for maintaining professionalism and preventing disruptions. Number 9 is time management. We must respect our audience time by adhering to the allotted presentation time. For longer presentation, we must plan carefully placed breaks to help participants to stay focused and engaged. Effective time management demonstrates consideration for our audience schedule. And lastly, number 10 is follow-up. The engagement doesn't end with the presentation only. You can provide additional resources and a summary to support continued learning and reflection. Encouraging post-presentation engagement ensures that our content leaves a lasting impact and provides value beyond the virtual session.
Hi, my name is Maria Francia Merano, and we will explain further about the managing virtual platforms involves overseeing various features such as the webcam, microphone, screen sharing, and chat functionalities. First is the webcam. Managing the webcam entails controlling access to and usage of the video camera. This involves permissions, troubleshooting technical issues related to video feed, and ensuring a smooth video conferencing. These statements refers to the process of overseeing and handling the webcam. The webcam functionality on a device, typically a computer or a smartphone. Second is microphone. Proper management of the microphone involves regulating audio input, troubleshooting audio-related problems, and ensuring that participants can effectively communicate in virtual meetings without disruptions. It refers to the task involved in managing the functionality and usage of a microphone on a device such as computer or a smartphone. Managing the microphone involves controlling its settings for optimal audio input. Troubleshooting any technical issues related to audio transmissions and ensuring a seamless communication experience for users participating in virtual meeting or other audio-based interactions.
Hello everyone, Roy John Rivera here, and I'm going to talk about screen sharing. Screen sharing allows participants to display their computer screens to others in the virtual meeting. Managing these features involves facilitating seamless sharing, troubleshooting any technical issues, and ensuring that participants can present information effectively. Next tayo is chat. The chat function enables participants to communicate through text during virtual meetings. Managing chat involves moderating conversations, ensuring that important information is conveyed, and addressing any inappropriate or off-topic messages. So, effective management of these virtual platforms components contributes to a smoother and more productive virtual collaboration experience, minimizing technical issues and enhancing communication among participants.
Hello everyone, my name is Garnet Ellis Marquez and I will be showing to you 5 techniques for maintaining audience engagement in an online environment. So let's start. So first is live polls and surveys. So I will be sharing an experience with you all. So in that day, we already have COVID going on. So online streaming was inevitable. We will have to interact online and then we will have to sit there and then listen to the presenter. So what that webinar did is they provided live polls and surveys. So that had me encouraged to participate in whatever they are having, and then we will be provided a room and then we will answer the surveys and put live poll and then put our answers in the polls, and then afterwards that will be presented to everyone. So it feels like we are really there. We are communicating with the presenter and everyone else in the audience. So that is how one way to retain online engagement. So next is annotation and whiteboarding. So annotation and whiteboarding. So as you can see in this slide, you can see a woman that is writing things on the board. So that is whiteboarding. So you can see diagrams, you can see text, you can see all sorts of things. So annotations. So what are annotations? These are the comments that is provided from the main topic. So let's say that the main topic is Earth. So there is an annotation about Earth. What is the content of Earth? There are humans, there are animals, there are matters in this world. So those are the annotations for the topic called Earth. So next is interactive quizzes and challenges. So in an online environment like Google Classroom, there are sorts of discussions from the teacher that we have to listen to the teacher in order to answer the quizzes provided by the teacher. So the teacher will provide challenges for us in order for us to understand better what they are trying to discuss. So that is the same for how we should apply quizzes for engagement. So next is A/B testing for content. So what is A/B testing? So for example, we have content A that is more liked, more popular to the people, and content B that is less popular and less liked by the people. So of course you would want to provide content A because that is what the people want to see. Those are what people get interested. However, that doesn't mean that we can stop A/B testing for content. So even if content A is more popular and more liked by the people, we can keep testing another content B that could perhaps leverage the content even better. Like content B is more popular now because of the adjustments we made for content A. So content B is now more popular and more liked. So next is number 5. So live chat and moderation. So the best example for this would be Twitch. So in Twitch there is streamers that are playing games, showing all sorts of things, just chatting. In Twitch there is an inevitable live chat going on. So the reason why there is a live chat in Twitch is because this promotes engagement with the streamer. So streamers typically reads comments. If they read comments, that people will feel that they are really engaging with the streamer. So they feel more special, they want to talk more, they want to stay more because perhaps they like the energy of the streamer talking to them. And then moderation. So there are comments that are inevitably bad, that are there are swear words, slurs, or inappropriate things that will show up in your live chat. So for that matter, there are moderators that will purge those bad comments, filter them out, and then take away all the inappropriate things away from the positive stream. To wrap this up, these are 5 techniques for maintaining audience engagement in an online environment. So I'm Garnet Aires Marquez, and we are the last group, so thank you.